Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Thursday, the 22nd of December and day 10 of the May Paper Co. 2022 Advent Calendar. Let's take a look. Okay, let's see what we got for today. Okay, looks like it's another one for the planner, just based off the size of the envelope. Definitely squishy, very thin. Ooh. Oh. All these colors are making my heart melt right now. Oh, okay. So what have we got? Personal wide assorted functional sticker insert in the color palette Berry Sorbet. We have 2 sheets, 162 stickers total. They will fit in a B6 and a personal wide planner. And excuse me while I have a moment over these colors, they're gorgeous. Okay, yep, I'm opening this. I want to see what's in here. Alright, so we have a thinner sheet, which will definitely fit in a personal planner. So that is good. We have to do, to buy, appointment, reminder, build you, event, and to do. We have those in 3 different colors. One is like a taupe. One is like a really pale rose pink, like a blush color. And this gray, I don't know if it's coming through on camera properly, but it is beautiful. Okay, and then we have all of these large dots. They are solid, so they're not transparent. The paper is really thin, but in a good way. Like they feel thinner than the premium mats from Creative Sticker Co, for example. But the colors are gorgeous. Okay, all right. Stop feeling up the stickers, Sandra. Okay, second sheet, we have 3 sets of date dots, 1 for each color, and then we have a set of small teardrops and then a set of large teardrops. Again in the same colors, and like on the first sheet, we've got more of the pink color than we do of the other 2. I'm in love. These are functional. The colors are divine. I really hope they're coming through on camera properly. Like I won't use these, but I can see how a lot of people would. Like I might use a to-do, or yeah, to-do is probably the only one that I would use in terms of a daily. But like I love the concept of them. These circles and the dots, 100%. And I want to try to figure out a reason to use these, because all of my inserts come dated. Occasionally I do use an undated, but if you are using an undated planner, particularly in a smaller format, these are a great size. So let me get my ruler. Just on that. This part of the ruler that's not having 0.5 millimeters, it's hard enough to tell. Okay, so they're about 5 mil wide in terms of the actual kiss cut size. So perfect for your smaller format inserts, particularly if you're using undated month on 2 page, for example, or even if you're using an undated weekly. This one will definitely fit in the personal. This one will definitely fit in the B6 or personal wide. I'm in love with these. I really hope this is a sneak preview of things coming to the shop because I may have to dip into that pool. Although typically, I will say, I prefer sheets, individual sheets for each colour, as opposed to a palette all on one set, just because I'll pick and choose from it. But yeah, anyway. Okay, I'm in love. I love this. It doesn't need to go in my planner, so this doesn't make the personal versus personal wide/basics decision any harder. This is good. Okay, let me know what you think about these. Do you want these in the shop? I do. I want more of this. More of this. Thanks again for joining me for my daily unboxing. Join me again tomorrow for day 11, which is the second last day. If you haven't already, check out the playlist. It has everything from the intro video all the way through to today. Our last unboxing will be on Sunday the 25th, and then I will have a full wrap-up video coming through on Monday the 26th. I think that's the way the days land. So Boxing Day, there will be a full wrap-up. It won't come through in the morning, probably, not gonna lie. Would you like to go live? Let me know. Tell me in the comments. Anyway, I hope you're having an awesome day, or will have an awesome day. Stay safe, have fun. Catch you later. Bye.